Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to break down the levels of front-end development. The first level is having the ability to create some simple websites with the help of, let's say, Bootstrap, a simple CSS framework. The second level is having a good understanding of the tools and the tech stack that you use and having the ability to create a bit more complex UIs. The third level is having the ability to create some dynamic and advanced websites, maybe with some animations, and you should have a deep understanding of the tech stack that you use. The level 4 is having the ability to write some code that is testable, maintainable, reusable, all that stuff, and it will have the capability to become a library or a shared component. The level 5 is someone who can deeply understand design patterns and have the ability to know when and how to use memory optimizations and caching and all that stuff, and how to improve web performance. And last but not least, level 6 is mastering everything that I mentioned above, and with all that you should have the ability to create your own libraries and not use other libraries. It's not mandatory because sometimes way better to take something that is used by hundreds, millions of people than building something your own that may not be as good. But you will have the ability to reinvent the wheel. So this was the video, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.